Does packing for your cruise or any vacation stress you out? Are you an overpacker? Maybe you're that what if packer. Have you had to pay that extra fee because your bags were too heavy? Well, if that sounds like you, stick with me because I created a brand new packing solution that's going to solve all of those problems. You're not going to believe how easy it is. Plus, I'm going to give you a free downloadable file that's going to make your packing life easier just for watching the video. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to lighten my load and only pack what I actually needed. As you guys know, I've been cruising for over 30 years. This idea came to me after struggling again to pack on my last cruise. After hours of frustration and out of desperation not to overpack again, I started to do something new and it worked. And once you see my new method, I challenge you to try it out and tell me how it works for you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I used to pack and why it didn't work. See if you can relate. My evolution, other ideas that I tried that actually led me to this idea, so you don't have to waste your time recreating the wheel. And of course, my new packing technique and how it works. I'm also going to show you my results, how it worked once I got on the cruise. Plus, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a downloadable file that's going to help you on your journey to pack only what you need. I'm telling you, doing this on every trip from now on. I was a self-admitted packaholic, and you know, I only wore about a quarter of the clothing that I actually took. This is how I used to pack. So I've got a shirt, another entire outfit, and 2 jackets that were not supposed to be packed. I put them in at the last minute. So the first outfit that I have, actually another outfit I wasn't supposed to pack. Another complete outfit. See, I have pants in here that I was not supposed to pack. But what you're not seeing is I have a whole nother suitcase that's going to be coming through those doors. And it's everything, shorts, t-shirts, pajamas. Of course, some of that stuff I do need for this 8-night cruise. But I have stuff shoved down in the places I'm not supposed to be shoving things. I would literally come home with more clothes I didn't wear than I did. Most of this was due to my what if mentality. I know you know what I'm talking about. What if it's too hot? What if it's too cold? What if it rains? What if I eat too much and I don't want to wear tight clothes that day? What if? This leads to overpacking. So I created special labels just for you. So I'm going to show you what it looks like here on the screen. Also, I added a few what if labels just to give you all some flexibility. Now, don't go overboard or that defeats the purpose. Just maybe use one for an additional jacket or a different outfit for dinner one night, but stop at 4 what ifs. Even better if you can manage only 2 what ifs. Went to day 1 and I put everything on day 1 on a hanger. I tried to combine all the clothes that I was wearing on day 1 on my hanger if possible. And then I grabbed my day 1 label and I literally stapled it to my hanger, right? Do this before you leave. And now I have my day 1 outfit. Here we go. So day 1, I have these pants. I know tonight for dinner, I will wear these casual pants with a blouse that is in another suitcase at the moment. Here are my strips, if you can see. So see how I did that? Day 7, it's a sea day, MDR, dress your best. So I have my little outfit, my pants here. So I have that. So everything else that remains in this garment bag are accounted for an 8-night cruise. So my girlfriend Tracy was my roommate that week and she was so impressed. She said she's using this on the next cruise. And she would watch me every day just go open my closet door, pick out that day I was dressed like this. I didn't have to think about it. I didn't have to root through all my clothes to figure out what I was wearing. It was already done. Maybe this is your first cruise. And if it is, great, you're doing your research. Take a look at some of the other videos that we have about packing. I have one about what to pack in your carry-on bag. That is crucial. So make sure you watch that video. I'll post it here at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed today. I know I certainly enjoyed coming up with this concept. I'm so happy I have another cruise coming up. I cannot wait to use it again. So until I see you guys out on the ships, happy sailing.